Good morning, everyone. I am Rio Ginting. I will give one issue about independent learning model. Outline, background, issue. Why is it considered an issue? And last, theoretical foundation. Background, independent learning is a learning process that invites students to take independent action that involve sometimes one person, usually a group. These independent action are designed to connect academic knowledge with everyday life in such a way as to achieve meaningful goals. Issue, factor affecting readiness for self-study. 1. Be open to every learning opportunity. Learning is basically not limited by time, place, and age. 2. Having a self-concept as an effective learning citizen. Someone who has a self-concept means always having a positive perception of learning and always striving for good learning outcomes. 3. Take initiative and feel free in learning. Initiative is an invite us that comes from a person without being influenced by other, someone who has initiative to learn does not need to be stimulated to learn. 4. Have a love for learning. Making learning a part of human life starting from the emergency of awareness, intimacy, and love of learning. 5. Creativity. According to Supardi 1994, creativity is a person's ability to produce something new, either in the form of idea or real work, which is relatively different from what has been there before. The characteristic of a person's creative behavior include dynamic, courageous, resourceful, hard work, and free. For someone who is creative, he will not worry or be afraid to do something as long as what he does is meaningful. 6. Has a future orientation. Someone who is oriented to the future will see that the future is not something that contains uncertainty. 7. Ability to use basic learning skills and solve problems. In order to reach maturity, a child must be trained to learn independently. Independent learning is a process where individuals take the initiative with or without the help of others. In independent learning, it emphasizes the activeness of students who are more student-centered than teacher-centered, so that educators play more of a role as educator and friends or partner. Why is it considered an issue? Change or development of education and education that is able to support future development. In the future is education that is able to develop the potential of students so that they are able to face and solve life problem they face. Education must touch the potential, consciences, and competence potential of student. The concept of education is increasingly important when a person has to enter life in society and the world of work, because the person concerned must be able to apply what he has learned in school to deal with problems faced in everyday life today and thus that will come. Theoretical foundation. The Accelerate Learning Program can be organized in three options. Regular class, where students who have the potential for intelligence and special talent learn together with other students in regular class. Integrate cells inclusive model. The form of implementation in the regular class can be done with the following model. A. Class with groups, cluster. Students who have the potential for intelligence and special talents study with other students. Normal in regular class with special groups. B. Regular class with full outs. Students who have the potential for intelligence and special talents learn with other students in the regular class, but within an certain time are drawn from the regular class to the resource room, special room for independent study. Recommendation. The time used to complete the study program for students with potential intelligence and special talents is faster than regular students. In elementary school, education units from 6 years. It can be accelerated to 5 years. In junior high school and senior high school, education units each from 3 years can be accelerated to years. References: http subiartini.blogspot.com 25 cells 12 model learning independent implementation. http sales updates blogspot.com 2010 sales 02 sales model learning independent.html. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's my percentage. God bless.